I want to thank you for viewing this PlyGem YouTube vinyl siding video. Today we're going to have Eric work with us and show you the basics of how to use a field forming brake. It's a critical part of all vinyl siding job. We need to cover the wood so we don't have to do any maintenance. So what we have here actually is a mini version of a brake in the field. It's 2 foot. You can get them much larger than this. And as Eric's showing you, there's usually 2 handles on the modern brakes, and they're very easy to use. They're a very high-tech piece of equipment. They last many, many years. They're made of extruded aluminum, so they're able to withstand the weather. So I want to give you a little bit of basics. So what Eric's really going to show you, he has a piece of flat metal. This is usually 019 high-quality painted PlyGem metal. And what the brake does, it holds it firm, and you can bend any angle you want. What he's going to do here is bend a 90-degree bend, and that's really what you're going to do most of the time. Very easy to do. It has a lot of power, so he'll show you what that looks like. And you can brake any angle you want, but most of your brakes are going to be 90 degrees. Now, what's very important with the brake is you want to learn how to make a hem, just like at the bottom of your jeans. And we'll show you why. So what you actually do is you put that part in the brake, bend it down, bend it all the way over, trying to get it to hem on itself, but it won't go all the way. So what Eric will do, he'll flip that around, and he'll make sure he uses the power of the brake, and he'll bend it up, and he's going to show you what that hem looks like. Now, I'll tell you why he hems. It's a beautiful hem that he did. Yeah, you can see that. What you do that on any exposed edge, you don't want the paint exposed, and it flattens the metal. So making a hem is very, very important on all your bends, wherever it's exposed at the face or anything like that. So those 2 bends need to be used to make those that hem that we call it. So let's talk about some of the other pieces you can form out of aluminum trim sheet. Well, he's showing you right here a great drip edge that can be done right in the field. All those bends can be done. That's a drip edge for an eave or a gable. The next one we're going to show you is a hat channel. These are used at transitions and in the porch ceilings. And again, it looks like a hat. It's a little bit harder to do. We'll tell you how to get the instructions for all of these. So that's a hat channel. The next one, it gets more intricate as we go along. There's a lot of neat parts you can make. We call this a J and an F channel combination. So at the top of the wall, the siding would go where his finger is, and you'll see the soffit will go into the other channel. So that's a neat part. You bend one part. You'll notice that Eric has all the safety equipment on too. So when he's working with metal, he's being very, very safe with the eye protection and the arm protection. The other one we want to show you is a fascia with a built-in J. So this would actually cover your fascia board up in the eave or the gable, and then you have your J channel ready to go for your siding in both locations. So you can make combinations of a lot of accessories by using that brake. Also, Eric, point out the detail on that one piece where they actually put the fine little changes there. You can get little pieces of the brake that can bend those in there. So it's really a neat option. So the next one we want to show you is actually what you see behind Eric is a window. We've already started this. We're covering the wood trim around a window. Now, most people just cover the wind and then put a window, then put a J channel up against it. But to make it look like real wood, what Eric's actually done here, he's built a J channel in. So he's going to show you what it looks like. That's the top piece, the last piece that's going to go on. And if you look at, he's built in a J channel so that you can put your siding in it and you don't have a separate J channel. And it really helps the look of your final braking. So this is done on doors and windows. So he'll just show you, he bent that already, built the J in. It's a little complicated, but you got to follow the instruction. And now he's just going to pop it in. If you're interested in getting directions on how to do all these things, contact your PlyGem representative, and we can give you some manuals that'll help you how to brake all these. So again, thanks for coming, and please look for more PlyGem YouTube videos.